So let's go to our experts and understand that what exactly one should do in this kind of market. And I guess we would have more of a blend of trades, long and short, because market is still in broader uptrend, and but short-term pain is visible. So we have CK Narayan, Kunal Botra and Manas Jaiswal joining us. Very good morning to you, gentlemen. CK, coming to you first, so much can be inferred from your picks. Buying Bharti Airtel, a beaten down name, and selling a growth story, Maruti.
Good morning, everybody. Yes, the choice is a little deliberate. Going long Bharti is a slightly defensive strategy, and going short in Maruti could be considered a little more aggressive on the short side. I think that is the way the market is positioned at the end of last week, and over the weekend we did not really have any kind of market moving news, and whatever results have shown up have been subpar in my opinion. And therefore collectively with SGX also pointing marginally south, I would think that the situation might favor the bearish side a bit. So Bharti Airtel is a buy at the current levels of about 313, and Maruti is a short at the current levels around 71.40. In both, one could maintain about 1% as the stop loss, and in Maruti I would expect a target at about 7,050. And in Bharti, I'm looking for a target closer to 320.
Okay, large cap names, interestingly mixing the trade, defensive buy in Bharti and aggressive short in Maruti, which somehow reflects his view on market also, because he have been insisting shorting Nifty in last trading session, and that worked pretty well for itself. Let's get into stock specific action again. And CK, NBFCs, some of them are doing well, and some of them are breaching their important supports, making multi-year new lows. And Indiabull Housing Finance, that is one name which has troubled this market a lot since last few months, apart from Diwan Housing. How far the stock can go down?
Well, the pressure doesn't seem to be easing for Indiabull Housing, and somewhere around middle of Jan it hit about 850, and it's been a relentless decline from there, which has continued right into the current prices around 615, and even here it shows no signs of wanting to give up the decline. There is continued volumes on declines, continued momentum on the decline, so I would believe that prices should probably fall some more. For the day we can look at somewhere between 600 to 603 as a possible target, so recommending a short with a stop at 622.
Quite a vicious fall for Tata Motors on Friday. Is the worst behind, or are we likely to see some more follow-through sell-off?
Well, you see, you did have a very, very large amount of fall, and it kind of tapped down into the immediate targets at about 130 and quickly recovered from there. But the recovery was, largely by way of short covering. I never saw any fresh buying emerge, and it seems quite unlikely, given the current situation, that there would be any fresh buying. So my sense is that it would keep drifting down. This low around 130, 140 region will probably come in for a retest across the coming sets of days. So no immediate hurry for anybody to do any kind of bottom fishing, and we may see lows before we see anything on the upside.